Yes students, welcome. Today I am going to part 2, chapter 2 in the linear equation in one variable. See students, up to part 1 I just explained you up to 2.1 and illustration 1 to 4. Today I am going to some applications levels numerical in the chapter example 5. See what is the example 5? What should be the added to twice the rational number in minus 7 by 3 to get it 3 by 7. So first of all, suppose we assume that required number be x students and added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3. It means just we write down twice the rational number of minus 7 by 3 is, it means students here we taking here twice numbers, so 2 into minus 7 by 3. Yes, it means students it's very easy, minus 14 by 3, 7 to the 14. Now read the question, what should be the added to twice the rational number? It means for the required x plus minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. Yes students, now it's very easy solutions. I just take out minus 14 by 3 right side, so 3 by 7 plus 14 by 3. Now students, what is the LCM of 7 and 3? Yes, it is 21. So here I just getting one of the, here 3 multiply and 3 multiply plus, similarly 7 multiply and 7 multiply, because my LCM is how much? 21. So students, finally x is equal to, yes, x is equal to 3 3s are 9 by 21 plus here 14 into 7. Yes students, 14 into 7 just to multiply side by side. 7 4s are 28, 2 carry, 7 1s are 7 plus 2 9. Yes, it is 98 by 21. So finally students, these are further solutions. I just finally derived value of the x. So x is equal to, finally you did 9 plus 98 divided by 21. And how much? 9 plus 19? Yes, it is 8 and 9. Totally 8 to the 16 plus 1 17. 1 carry, 9 and 1 10. 107. Yes students, it is 107 by 21 is your final answer. Yes, continue. Now students, I move ahead. Example number 6. Question is there, perimeter of rectangle is 13 centimeter. Means full perimeter given and its width given 2 integer 3 by 4 and asking its length. So students, first of all I draw one of the rectangle. You know that it's a length, here also length, and here your breadth. It means width, and width given 2 integer 3/4. So students, just I further calculate 2 integer 3/4 is a solution wise 4 2s are 8, 8 and plus 3, it is 11 by 4 centimeter. This breadth and this breadth are same because it is rectangle given, and find out my target is length. So students, here length I assume x centimeter. Suppose that length is a x centimeter and start by this sum for easily suggestion by the length x centimeter. So start, suppose our length is of rectangle is x centimeter, breadth already given, and what is the formula for perimeter? Yes, now perimeter of rectangle already known students, it is a 13 centimeter. You know that. What is the perimeter formula? 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. It is your total perimeter. But length I assume that x, breadth already known. So students, here you put it x and breadth is put it 11 by 4 is equal to 13 according to given data. Now students, these 2 1s are and 2 2s are gone. Only I have 2x is equal to, sorry, not is equal to, 11 by 2 is equal to 13. Now look at that. My target is x value. So what to do? Yes, 11 by 2 is a forward to right side. So here 2x is equal to 13 minus 11 by 2. Here only 1. And take out the LCM. Yes students, what is LCM? LCM is 2. So here 2 multiply 2 divided and 11 by 2 is as it is. So 13 2s are 26, 11 same by 2. Now what is the 26 minus 11? Yes, students, calculate side by side. 26 minus 11, it get 5 and here 1. Yes, it is 15. So what is the 2x? 15 by 2. Now students, my target is not 2x. My target is a length. And length already I assume it is x. So dividing by 2, it get x is equal to 15 by 2 and 2 is also dividing. So my answer is 15 by 4 centimeter is your final length of this rectangle. So lastly mentioned, therefore required length of rectangle is that finally how much? 15 by 4 centimeter is your final answer. Now students, continue. Example number 7. See the question of the 7. Present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times present age of Sahil. It means definitely Sahil's age is a smaller age in the compare of his mother. So I just assume that Sahil's age is x. And after that 5 years means future tense. Age will be 66 years. So find their present ages. So very easy students. First of all I assume, suppose present age of Sahil is what? X years. These are assumed that Sahil's age, present age. And read that present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. It means present age of his mother. How much? His mother age? Yes, it is a totally present age is 3 times. So here write down 3x. That's your mother age. Now read the question. After 5 years. Means here just I create after 5 years. Surely Sahil is getting x plus 5 years. And look at that. Mother age is 3x plus 5 years. Why? Because both of them moving ahead 5 years ahead and both addition is 66. Students, this both addition, here I apply for this adding and in this adding. So, total summation of both ages are given that in the 66 students. That's why I write down x plus 5 after 5 years Sahil age and his mother age 3x plus 5 is equal to 66. Now look at that. You just apply the variable additions. So 1x and 1 3x. It gets students 4x. And how much 5 and 5? Yes, it is 10. And is equal to 66 is same as students. Now look at that 66 and 10. Both of these subtracted. Minus 10. How much? Yes, it is 56. Now what to do for dividing both sides? 4. So finally you divided here 4 and right side 4. You getting x is equal to 56 by 4. You know how many 56 by 4? Yes, 4 ones are 4 and next of the 4. It means 14 4s are 56 years. This year for the present age of Sahil. And question read, find their present ages. It means Sahil age and his mother age. Both type of question. So required present age of Sahil. How much? It is 14 years. And his mother age. Present age. What is mother present age? It is 3x. So you just write down 3 into 14. 42 years. You just verify. How many 42 plus 14? Yes, it get total 66. So here ending our third sum. And students, this is a IMP question for exam level. Maybe sometime here after 5 years. taking here before 5 years. If you before 5 years, then here you write down x minus 5, here write down 3x minus 5, and further type questions you calculate. Next one. Students, it is a 3 marks question. Okay, now done. Next. Now continue students. Example number 8. See the question first. Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupees coin as he has 5 rupees coins. Students. So, I'm asking the he has all has the sum rupees total 77 rupees. How much coins each denomination does we have? So very easy. 5 rupees coins and 2 rupees coins and total sums you just first of all mind it. And 5 rupees coins I just assume that it is a x. So suppose Bansi have 5 rupees coin will be x. That means you just check out what is the 2 rupees coin. He has 5 rupees coin the another 3 times. It means here 3x for 5 rupees coin. Sorry, it is a 2 rupees coin now. Bansi has 2 types of coins. One of the 5 rupees coin is x assume. So 2 rupees coin is how much? It is a 3 times. Now question is given in the 77. So students, here I just create total amount. How much? Total amount in rupees. So generally you know 5 rupees coin is 1, so it is 5 rupees. If you 5 rupees coin 2, then how much? It is 10 rupees. 5 rupees coin is 3, how much? 15 rupees. It means you multiply the data. So here I multiply the x and 5. These both are the product date. It is 5x rupees. Same as here you multiply 2 and 3. It is a 6x rupees. And total amount I have given 77. It means we have to total rupees is 77 rupees. So I just added here students 5x plus 6x will be 77. Now both adding very easy. It is 11x is equal to 77. So what is the x? Yes, 77 by 11, and you just cutting out it is 7. Now look at that. What is the question? How many coins of each denominations does he have? It means he are asking 5 rupees coin separately and 2 rupees coin separately. Therefore, Bansi have 5 rupees coin. How much? Already I assume that 5 rupees coins. It is a x. It means 7 coins. And Bansi have 2 rupees coin. How much? It is a 3 times. It means 3x. So 3 into 7. Total 21 coins. Now look at that students. I just verify this answer true or not. Necessary verifications. See, 5 rupees coin is a 7. It means 5 rupees coin into 7 coin will get 35 rupees. And here 21 coins for the 2 rupees. It means 2 rupees coin into 21. How much? It is 42 rupees. Just you add it and check out. Your 77 rupees is tally. Yes, it is 77 rupees is total amount are tally here for the Bansi have 3 times the given 2 rupees coin in compare of 5 rupees coin. Students always read the backside statement. And backside statement 5 rupees coin I just suggest here x. And 2 rupees coin is a 3x. It's very easy sum. Yes, now students, I continue. Example 9. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Students, consecutive means they are the neighbor numbers, just like 1, 2, 3, 4. But here consecutive multiples of 11. It means one number is x, other number is 11 ahead, means x plus 11. Next number again 11 ahead, it is x plus 22. So just I draw one of the number lines. Students, here 0 number, after that 11, next 22, same as going ahead. So consider one number is x, I just suggest, and 3 consecutive multiples of 11, it means other number is x plus 11. It means 11 number ahead. Next, similarly, x plus 22. Same as going ahead, x plus 33, x plus 44. That like numbers, we assume that students here are only 3 consecutive numbers. So these numbers I just assume that x plus 11 and x plus 22, and that number I assumption and I calculate. Suppose required 3 numbers which is consecutive. Yes students, which is consecutive. Multiples of 11 is x plus 1 and x plus 2. That I taking are the numbers are x plus 11 and x plus 22 students. Now very easy. Its summation given 363. So its summation I have given 363. It means x plus 11 plus x plus 22 is equal to 363. Yes students. Now just I added to all data. This data just you students here look at that. One of the x, one of the x and one of this x. How much it is? Yes, it is totally 3x. So just I here follow. It is 3x is equal to 11 plus 22. Carry forward right side. 363 minus 11 minus 22 students. So how much it is total? Yes, 363 minus 33. And this total value I just follow in my final solutions. So these steps I again write down here. 3x is equal to 363 minus 33 students. How much? Yes, 363 minus 33. It is here 0. 6 minus 3 is 3 and here 3 carry forward. So I have 3x is equal to 330. So how much x? 330 by 3. And it's easily cutting the value 110. Yes students, this 110. Now I put it in the suggestion x plus 11 and x plus 22. So my final answer done here. Required 3 consecutive numbers in multiples of 11. So required numbers are, which number you assume students already? Yes, that is the one of the x plus 11 and x plus 22. Apply their values. X value is known. It is 110. Next year 110 plus 11. And here 110 plus 22. How much it is? 110. Next 110 plus 21. How many? 121. And here how much? 120 plus 122. 110 plus 22. Yes, here 2. Here 3 and here 1. How much it is? 1 is 1. Same as here 2. And last of the 121. Check them. All are the 11 gapping. Yes students. That is the our total 11 gapping. Yes, happily done. This question 110, 121 and 132 is your final answer. And if you added the all, sure your verification is done 363. So students, I apply one of the verification after that. Just verify 110 plus 121 plus 132. Students, just check out. It is 3, 2 plus 1, 3. Here 3, 2 plus 1 by 6 and 363 is your total summation. And here done our easily sum. So students, you write the properly. Sometimes 11 numbers are increasing, sometimes 10 given. So you assume that here x plus 10 and x plus 20. If you 12 given, then you suggest x plus 12 and x plus 24. It means the 11 gapping. Just you multiples the apply that number. Yes students, write properly. Yes students, now I going to continue our example number, question number 10. Yes. Now students, similarly, I continue example number 10. Yes students, this example number 10, first of all I read the question. The difference between two whole numbers is 66. But that ratio of that number is 2:5. And find out what are the two numbers. So students, first of all you focus in the ratio. What is the ratio of the two numbers? Yes, it is 2:5. So I assume that, suppose required two whole number in the ratio. Yes students, in the ratio means this ratio are particular 2x and 5x, where x is never 0. You not write down x in 0, otherwise both number is considered in the 0 forming. So check now, what is the highest number, 5x or 2x? Definitely 5x. And our question is difference between there. So difference I just calculate between both number is what given? Yes, it is 66. That's why I create maximum number minus minimum number is equal to 66. Students, you here never write 2x minus 5x. Otherwise your answer going in negative numbers, and in whole number never belonging the negative. That's why your final values is your higher value minus lower value. We cannot write 2x minus 5x, otherwise they not exist for the whole number. Now how much 5x minus 2x? It is 3x. So what is the x? 66 by 3. We get 22. Yes students, after that I go to my final answer. Therefore required both numbers are, what do you assume first? It is 2x and 5x. So 2x and 5x, just I write down here. I'm putting x value 22 respectively. So 2 into 22 and 5 into 22. And how much it is? Yes, it is 44. And here 22 into 5, 110. Students, here you verify. Check them. Your verified number, it is true or not. What is your question? Difference between them is 66. So I just apply difference 110 minus 44. Definitely it is 66 answer. And students, sure your two numbers is 44 and 110. Finally, here done. Yes students, write properly, and it's a very easy sum. One more time repeat, difference given, that's why here I write down minus. But if you plus given, then you're taking here plus. And whenever a difference, students, always you write down higher data, higher number is first. After that lower data, lower number after that. Yes, happily done. And here you create, students, it is a 3 marks question. 3 marks question types this numericals asking in exam. Yes, write proper. Now continue students. Example number 11. Before starting this example 11, students, it is a most IMP sum for exam level. See the question. First I read the question. Deveshi has a total of 590 rupees as currency note. It means she have total 590 rupees. In the denominators of the 50 rupees, 20 rupees and 10 rupees. It means she have 3 types of notes. One of the 50 rupees currency, second one 20 rupees currency, and 10 rupees currency. Now, ratio of the number of 50 rupees notes and 20 rupees note is 3:5. So students, you first of all start with the ratio types, 20 rupees notes and 50 rupees notes. And secondly given, she has total 25 notes. And asking that find out different types of notes she had. So very easy. First of all students, I just apply here one of the 50 rupees currency notes. Similarly, I just create 50 rupees. After that, one of the 25 rupees. Sorry, not 25. It is a 20 rupees currency notes. So one of the, here write down 20 rupees currency note. And one more also, it is a 10 rupees currency. 10 rupees currency notes. Now students, read the question. 50 rupees and 20 rupees ratio given 3:5. It means 50 rupees currency, you just assume that here 3x. And 20 rupees currency, you assume that it is a 5x. But how many total notes given? Read here, total notes are given 25. So here just I show the table, total number of notes, currency note, it is 25. So how much it is 10 rupees coins? Yes, not 10 rupees coins, sorry, it is 10 rupees currency note. So it is a 25 minus this both of the plus 3x plus 5x students. So how much it is? 25 minus 8x. That's I currency notes for 10 rupees. Now students, read the question. Total amount C has to 590 rupees. It means this one currency note is considered 1 rupees. Two currency note, 50 rupees for each. And how many amounts he has? Yes, it is 100 rupees. Same as 50 rupees currency note, total 3. Then it is 150 rupees. So here I create now total amount students. Yes, table is continue. And that is the total amount. C has total, how many total amount? 590 rupees students. So here 3x into 5x, you just multiply 3x into 50, we get 150x rupees. Same as 5x into 20. So multiply that 5x into 20, which is 100x rupees. And similarly, this notes for 10 rupees currency, 25 minus 8x into 10. So I just write down 25 minus 8x into 10 is how much? 250 minus 80x. Yes. And this value all are students here rupees. This also rupees. And here also rupees. All rupees I just utilize and add them, and we get easily value of x. After that students, you properly draw this box and you easily just going to solution wise. So now I start here for utilize total amount 590 rupees. Read just one more time here in your questions. And denominator given to 5, 50 and 20x, 3 into x, that's why I am taking here 3x into 5x. And why here we have 25 minus that? Total currency known that 25. That's why I write down 25 minus 3x plus 5x. They getting to 25 minus 8x. Now, students, I go to total amount. How much total amount? 590 is equal to one of the 150x, second of the 100x, and third of the 250 minus 80x. Now students, you follow the like terms. So 590 is same. How much this two? Yes, 150 plus 100. It is 250x. And plus 250 minus 80x. You just showing as it is. Students, now what is the like term? Yes, this x value and this x value is a like term. And constant value and constant value, these two are the also like terms. So now I taking 590 minus 250 one side, and here 250x minus 80x one side, and follow the both of the subtraction one by one. Students, I just first subtracted 590 minus 250. How much it is? Yes, 0, 4 and 3. It is 340. And here say 250 minus 80. Similarly, students subtracted side by side. And this I rough out for the 250 minus 80. How much it is? Yes, it is 170. So here 170x. Now I want value of x. So this 170 divided by 340. So it is 340 by 170. 0 0 cancel. I just only getting 34 by 17. One more it is cutting. 17 2s are 34. So finally students, we are done up to our x value. Now question read. What is question? How many notes of each C has? So you just create again this table. See, currency note 50 rupees for 3x, 20 rupees for 5x and 10 rupees for 25 minus 8x. All value put it here, value for 2, and after that I ending this my sum. So finally I just create again final table for this answer according to my questions. So required answer for 50 rupees currency notes. How many currency notes for 50 rupees? Yes, it is 3x. So how much? 3 into here 2. It is 6 notes. Similarly, next of the 20 rupees currency notes, it is a 5x. So I just write down 5 into 2. It is 10. And last of the 10 rupees currency notes is how much? It is 25 minus 8x. So 25 minus 8 into 2. So it is a 25 minus 16. And how much 25 minus 16? It is 9 notes. Now students, I verify this answer true or not, because I have total amount known 590 rupees. Necessary students, you verify the answer in exam also. Huh? So I go to here verification. Very easy. Listen, 50 rupees notes how many? 6. So I just write down 50 rupees note into 6 plus 20 rupees note is 10 and plus 10 rupees note for 9. So it is 6 into 5, 30. 300 rupees. Here 200 rupees and here 90. They get total 500 plus 90. It is surely 590 rupees. She have our total tally here students. And it's very easily done by that answer. Yes, write properly. Students, that type question in the currency type, you always first of all create the table. And table wise your explanation, it's very simple and simple solutions. Okay, write proper. And ending this sum. Now continue students. Question number 1 for exercise start now. 2.2 textbook question. Question is there. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number. Yes students, from a number. So here I just number assume that and multiply by the result is half. You getting 1 by 8. Then asking what is the number. So very easy students. Suppose I just assume that required number be x. And this number x, students, subtract half. If we subtract half from the x, so we getting how much? Always students, half subtract from x means x minus half you mention. Never write half minus x because required number to subtract that number. So x minus half. Now multiply the result by 2. If multiply x minus half to 1 by 2, we getting how much? It is 1 by 8. It means students, x minus half same, multiply that 1 by 2 and getting 1 by 8. That's my equations. And short equation students, I here derive x minus half into half is equal to 1 by 8. And here I calculate the further 1 by 1. So students, this half just multiply inside to both data. It's how much? It is x by 2 minus 2 2s are 4. And 1 by 8 is as it is. Now tell me, what is the LCM? Yes, we multiply by their LCM. Again students, check. What is the LCM? 2, 4 and 8? Yes, LCM is 8. So here each term multiply by that LCM. So here 8 multiply x by 2. Again 8 multiply 1 by 4. And 8 multiply 1 by 8 is as it is. So finally students, here you done 2 4s are, here 4 2s are, and here 8 you directly cutting out. So you getting only 4x minus 2 is equal to 1. And now listen students, it's very easy simplifications. So 4x is equal to 2 plus 1. How much? 3. So what is the x? It is 3 by 4. And that's your required number for this answer. Yes students, one more time I explain you. It's very easy process. Look at that the question. From a number means I assume that required number x. Subtract from half from this number. So I return here x minus half. And this number multiply by half. So it is multiply by 2. And we getting 1 by 8 already given students. So here 1 by 8. Now this half multiply by x one time. And this half multiply by 1 by 2. So finally you done x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Now here check out what is their LCM. 2, 4 and 8 LCM is a 8. So I multiply by 8, 8 and 8. First data, second data and third data. So my answer is 4x minus 2 is equal to 1. After that very simple. And x is equal to 3 by 4 is my final answer students. Yes, right proper. It's very easy sum. And word problem, it's very also simple students. But you read the question at least 2 to 3 times. Then you easily understood for the creating the equations. Yes. Now students, I go to question number 2. First of all, read the question properly. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Students always start from back side. See here, what is the back side terms? Breadth. So breadth I assumption and find out length and breadth of the rectangular swimming pool. So consider this is your drawing. This is your rectangular swimming pool. Here length and here breadth. Generally you know there are 2 types of length and 2 types of breadth. I again repeat you, students always start from back side the equation. What is back side equation? Breadth given. So suppose breadth be x and unit given here meter. So you suggest x meter. So what is the length? Students read now. Again question, length is 2 more than twice its breadth. It means 2 more than twice its breadth, and breadth it is already taking x. So my answer is 2x plus 2 meter, and this value just you apply. It is your x meter. Same here x meter, and breadth is a 2x plus 2 meter. Same is here students, 2x plus 2 meter. Now happily done, easily my sum. Because read the question. What is the target? Perimeter of the swimming pool given, it is 154. Perimeter means what? Summation of all 4 boundaries. So I just going perimeter of the rectangle 2 times length plus breadth. Perimeter I have given 154 and 2 times what is the length? Length is x and breadth is 2x plus 2. Easily moving further equations. So 154 and here 2 same as how much it is x and 2x? 3x plus 2. Yes students. Now listen properly. This 2 you multiply inside to both of the 1 by 1. So you getting only and only students. Here 154 same. Again repeat, to multiply with first and to multiply with second. So here 6x. Next 2 2s are 4. So constant value, take right to left side. How much it is? 154 minus 4? Yes, it is 150 and 6x is same as. So finally you did 150 by 6. And how much it is? 150 by 6? Just divide, students. It is 25. Because 6 2s are 12, 3 carry 30 and 6 5s are 30. So this value x. Done here. Now what is the target? Length and breadth. So students, already you length taking x, breadth taking 2x plus 2. So final answer right. Required length B. What is length? X. I have answer x 25 meter and breadth. Now what is the breadth? Yes students, breadth is at 2x plus 2. So just here write down 2x plus 2 and putting the 2x value for 25 plus 2. How much? 50 plus 2. And students, you know 50 plus 2 it is how much? Yes, 52 meter. Yes students, here our numerical is done. But now I go to verifications. Students, necessary you verify the answer. So finally my verifications here I do. Verification is easy. Perimeter of rectangle pool, swimming pool, is a 2 times length plus breadth. And check out, it is total perimeter is covered 154 or not? Yes, definitely, because already I taking length is how much? 2x plus 2 and breadth is how much? X. So students, just here my mistake, breadth here x. Sorry, because breadth I taking x and length how many taking? 2x plus 2. So here just checking the recorrection. My mistake students, breadth is x, so 25 and length is a 2x plus 2 and apply here total additions. How much it is additions? Yes, 2x plus x is a 3x plus 2 and putting the value of x. X is known 25 plus 2. Check out 25 3s are 75 plus 2. It is 77. Now students, 77 into 2. Surely your total addition is ready. 7 2s are 14, 1 carry. 7 2 are 14 plus 1 15. 154 meter. That's your perimeter. And here your verification students easily and happily done. Right proper. Yes students, now I go to continue exercise our 2.2 question number 3. Question is that base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. You know students, isosceles triangle means a triangle having two sides are equal. Any two sides. Perimeter given 4 integer 2 by 15. What is the length of the either remaining of the two sides? So students, first of all I draw one of the isosceles triangle and consider that name A, B, C, and that is your base. And these two are equal sides. Just I assume base of an isosceles triangle is given 4 by 3. So that much is 4 by 3 centimeter. And equal sides is my target. Students, just highlight your questions. Equal sides, these are equal sides. So here I assume that equal side is a x centimeter. This side is also x centimeter. And easily done. Our solutions. Suppose 2 equal sides AB is equal to AC is equal to x centimeter. And base already given that 4 by 3 centimeter. Now students, read what is the perimeter. So given perimeter of a triangle is 4 integer 2 by 15 centimeter. You know students, what the meaning for perimeter? Sum of the all sides AB plus BC plus AC. And here 15 4s are how much? 15 4s are 60. 60 plus 2. 62 by 15 centimeter. Now AB suggests x, BC 4 by 3 and AC also suggests 62 by 15. Now students, you just carry forward one side x and one side constant. X and x, it get 2x. So 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. Yes students, this value 4 by 3, I just left to right side moving. And after that start our LCM. How much LCM? Here divide is nothing. So it is 1. 15 and 3. Yes, LCM is 15. So I just multiply 15 to each term. We multiplying 15 on both the side. Then LCM. So 15, 15, 15. Just you carry forward one by one. Here 15 multiply. Similarly here 62 by 15. And last similarly again 4 by 3. All are the multiply. So you getting here 30x. Students, here 15, 15 gone. Only we have to 62. And here 3 5s are gone. 5 4s are 20. So finally you getting easily constant number 30x same. And how much? 62 minus 20? Yes, it is 42. So what you get x? 42 by 30. Now students, here you trying to sum cancellations. Just like 30 I known, 3 10s are 42. Any multiple right? 14 3s are. And students see 3 3 cancel. Again that cancel 7 2s are and 5 2s are. Means your x value which is 7 by 5, and that's my answer. Students, here cancellation you direct also exists. 7 6 and 5 6 are. It is same as solutions. Don't worry. Now question read. Length of the either remaining two equal side is this x and this x. Final write down. Required two equal sides. Which two equal sides? AB. Either AC, which is 7 by 5 centimeter or meter. Yes, it is centimeter. And that's my students' final answer. Write properly. One more time I just repeat. Two equal sides for our isosceles triangle. That's why I taking two values for x and x. Base already given. Applying perimeter and further calculations. Students, this numerical for again specially for 3 marks. Yes, write properly students. Yes, similarly students, I go to question number 4. See the question. Sum of the two numbers is 95. One exceed the other by 15. Students, here one word, exceed. Exceed means you just added the further number. One of the x assumption and next of the exceed by other is 15. Means x plus 15. So here start. Suppose required two numbers B, x and, yes students, exceed means ahead number x and x plus 15. Just I suggestion. And read that sum of that both is 95. So both summation is how many? 95. So x plus 15 is equal to 95. X and x both are the like terms students. This x and this x are both of the like terms. So I just added 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. So very easily 95 minus 15, carry forward 15 to right side. And how much it is? 95 minus 15? Yes, it is 0 and here 8 means 80. So finally you've done 2x is equal to 80. So what is x? 80 by 2. And what is 80 by 2? It is 40. Yes. These 40 answers for one of the x answer. Our target both numbers. So find the numbers are. So required both numbers are. What is the both number? One of the x and one of the x plus 15. Just you put it our numbers in the place of x. 40 and We have 40 plus 15. And how much it is? Yes, your answer is 40n. One of the 40 plus 50, it is 55. You also verify, students, 40 and 55 both sum. Sure, it will get our 95 answer. Students, correct? Wait. Students, it's very simple sum and it is only for 2 marks questions. Correct? Yes. Now students, I go to question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. The difference by that 18. What are the numbers? So very easy, students. You just repeat that numbers by the ratio wise first, and difference given, it means subtractions. So I just assume that ratio wise, my suggestions. Suppose required two numbers are one of the 5x and 3x, already given in the ratio wise. Both difference is given 18. So students, if your difference given, then you necessarily write higher data minus lower data, not lower data minus higher data, otherwise the negative number coming. So higher data minus lower data is higher number minus lower number. So 5x minus 3x, it will get 2x. So what is the x? 18 by 2, which is 9. And very easily we have done this x value. Now I final write required both numbers. Yes students, required both numbers. What is the numbers? You assume that 5x and 3x. So I just here write down 5x and 3x. So put it their value. 5 into what is the x? 9 and 3 into 9. So my answer 9 5s are 45 and here 9 3s are 27, which is my final two values. You also just verify difference is 18. 45 minus 27. It is 18. So very easy numerical, students, and happily done these questions. Now students, in this part 2, chapter 2 ended here. In further explanations and further numericals for the exercise 2.2, question number continue for 6th one, I explain you in the part 3. Till up to part 2 end here. And if you any doubt, students, in the word problem either 2.1, you personally contact. Already I given my personally contact number below this, either in thumbnail and YouTube in subscriber. So thank you students, and thank you watching for this video.